Hey everyone, I want to tell you about something. I got an idea. I want your opinion on this. Okay, here's my idea. I'm part of an organization that allows me to go from campsite to campsite, resorts. So what I'm thinking of doing is starting a new video series of shorts showcasing each one of these places that I go to. They won't be very long, 1 or 2 minutes. I will try to put drone footage in when I can, but it just occurred to me that I'm already coming to these places. I'm already spending all this money to come here and check these places out. Why not pass along the information to you? So if you're ever, say for example, like right now I'm in Florida. Well, what if you wanted to come to Florida and you were trying to plan a trip? Wouldn't it be great to have that extra info on whether or not, say for example, this place that I'm at right now, Forest Lake, is it a good enough resort to go to? Would you be interested in checking it out? Well, this would help you. This would show you what it's about. This would show you, does it have a swimming pool? Does it have mail services? Does it have shuffleboard? You know, does it have dances and food and all the things that resorts are generally known for? You know, and so, for example, this one here has garbage pickup right from the curb here instead of having to go to a bin. Things like that. Anyway, tell me what you think in the comments below. I'm going to try a few of them anyway and see how it goes, see how people respond to it, and we'll just take it from there, I guess.